In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add content using blocks in Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a new page or enhancing an existing one, adding content with blocks is both a versatile and straightforward way to ensure your site looks great and functions effectively. Let's dive into the process together so you'll be up to speed in no time. First things first, you'll need to open Squarespace in your web browser. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. Logging in is essential as it grants you access to all the editing capabilities and tools you'll need for building and customizing your website. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on your homepage within the Squarespace platform. Here, you will begin by navigating to your profile. This area is usually where you can find all the websites associated with your account. From the list of websites displayed, go ahead and click on the website that you want to edit. This will take you to your site's dashboard, where all the creative magic happens. On your website's dashboard, you'll see various options available for customization. To start making changes to a specific page, click the Edit button. This will open up the editor, enabling you to modify existing content or add new elements as needed. Now, let's add that content you're eager to include. In the editor, look for the button that says Add Section. Clicking this button will allow you to insert a new section into the page you're working on. You're given a choice here between adding a blank section or choosing from prescribed layouts. For our purposes, let's keep it simple. Click Add Blank Section to give yourself a fresh new area to work with. Next, within the newly added blank section, you're going to click on Add Block. Blocks are the building components of Squarespace pages and allow you to add different types of content, such as text, images, videos, or even galleries. Your block menu will present several options, so consider what kind of content you wish to include in your section. For illustration, I'll select text as the block type here. This option presents a clean and straightforward way to convey information or tell a story with your own words. Once you've selected the text block, feel free to input your content directly into the editor. Take your time to adjust the text to fit your desired style and format. Whether you need a headline, paragraph, or list, this is your opportunity to make that space uniquely yours. After you have entered and styled your content to your satisfaction, there's one important step left to ensure your work is saved and visible on your live site. Click Save. By doing so, you ensure that all your changes are stored and reflected in your public website, keeping everything up to date and ready for visitors. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding content using blocks in Squarespace. Happy editing!